what I'm going to do right now is attempt to complete the entire section of statistics 1 within 24 hours. I haven't studied a single topic, I don't know anything about the syllabus, and then at the end of the 24 hours, as a personal challenge, I am going to attempt an entire yearly S1 paper. Okay, and this is not a 24 hours challenge like that I am going to use the entire 24 hours. It's not humanly possible to do that. So I'm going to try my best to work around my usual routine, but study more in these 24 hours as much as I can. Like it should come around to 8 to 10 hours and I will keep updating. But okay, so what is statistics? I'm going to pull this up in my other phone right now. Basically, statistics 1 is a component of A-level mathematics. And what you do need to know is that it is the second component which AS students give after their pure 1. Okay, and it consists mostly of statistics, and I haven't studied a single topic. I don't know anything about the syllabus before. Right now I know nothing, but my objective is to change that and within 24 hours. Now the reason I'm doing this is because, let me just clean my glasses simultaneously. The reason I'm doing this is because um, I actually realized today that at 6 p.m. There was a statistics class, and statistics is now being taught. It's like January something, and now the section of statistics is being started. So I'm like, why should I wait for the teacher to teach and me having to follow along with their pace? Why can't I do it in one single night? I've seen other people do it. I'll probably mention a guy here that motivated me to do so. Basically, he was doing a further match all in one night, but I'm not going to do that. It's currently 9:30 something p.m. Let me show you my watch, hope it's visible and not laterally inverted. So yeah, it's 9:40 p.m. around something, and I'm going to start, but it's not going to be an all night or something. I'm going to try my very best to study at least 1.5 hours right now, and then go to sleep. Then wake. So I've pulled up the syllabus right now, scrolling through it. Unfortunately, can't show you directly, but we'll probably insert it. So probability and statistics 1, yeah, it includes, it's basically paper 5 and includes 5 subtopics: representation of data, 5.1, 5.2, permutation combinations, probability, discrete random variables, and lastly the normal distribution. So these 5 topics I have to cover within 24 hours. So what is my objective? My objective is to get familiarized with as much content as I can. So then for me it's really easy to follow along with the teacher, and I don't have to practice that much, and I can spend I can give time to other subjects for the maths, computer science, and physics, my other 3 subjects for A levels. Yeah, I hate my life. So okay, so I have the syllabus ready now, and this is going to be my copy, my register, in which I'm going to make notes and practice everything. It's going to start. Basically, in this copy, I've done the pure 1 section as well, copy maths, and a lot of it I've done, and even some few yearly past papers. But I'm going to start off with statistics from completing new page and all the way until it. And it's probably going to be like, wait, let me just, okay, this is empty from like, this is the work I've done, and now from onwards, this is empty. So I'm going to put my head here. This is statistics 1. Okay, so these are my pointers that I use. Hence, you might be wondering why there's a pink pen here, pointer. This is because I'm a feminist. No, but sorry, this is just to highlight some important stuff. So when I'm showing you my notes, you'll probably understand why I use this. But other than that, let's just get along with it. And yeah, this is my calculator, F9 PX. Yes, very amazing calculator. Let's start with, I'm going to just just mention statistics 1, and then probably a montage I'm going to show you what it's done. So today is 24th January 2026, and yes, less than 90 days I think in my first exam, in my first CI exam, probably around 100 days till the statistics 1 exam. So yeah, good luck to me. Then I'm going to use YouTube as my sole source of studying, probably most probably like the only source. I'm going to utilize any uploaded theories. I'm going to search for it right now. I'm going to study especially from Matthew by Sag, very goated YouTube channel, and I'm going to see anything else that I can utilize. But main thing is going to be familiarizing myself with the past papers of most of the concept, and then at the end of the 24 hours, as a personal challenge, I am going to attempt an entire yearly S1 paper. I think it's of 50 marks, and let's see how many I can get. It's 9:45 p.m. Let's begin, and I'm going to update you. And till then, time lapse is going to be played. Let's go. Yeah, so I have been studying for around 30 to 40 minutes. Let me show you what I have. Yeah, so these are some statistics so far. This is going to take time. This is going to take time, and but I am going to do it, inshallah. Okay, so I just recorded the I was just recording the post day one session, and I just realized that I was recording it on time lapse mode. Anyways, I understood that it's 11:23 p.m. I ended on 11:20 p.m. So I've been sitting for 1 hour 40 to 15 or something like that. And what I've understood the good thing about statistics is that I thought at first it would require some kind of theory, like we would have to discuss advantages or disadvantages or stuff like that, because it was mentioned like first annual objective I wrote down on the syllabus, it mentioned advantages, disadvantages. So I thought it would have a theoretical part to it, but it does, but it isn't actually asked in the exam itself. Like it's really tested, I think so, because I have seen 3 to 4 really past papers and it hasn't appeared in it at all. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I had calculated the percentage of the syllabus notes that I have covered. So in total, there are 173 pages of notes by Nakil by Sal. Honestly, amazing notes, and I am done with 19 of them. Okay, the first chapter isn't finished, but it will be tomorrow morning. It will take a maximum of 50 minutes. Okay, and, inshallah. So you can see I've calculated this. I'm done with around 11% of the course, but this is just from notes. Okay, so topical concept practice worksheets, and then maybe in yearly, but it's probably difficult to do in yearly before the actual challenge which I challenge myself. So probably 9:30 p.m. I'm going to go to sleep today. Meet you all in the morning. Maybe I'll do a transition here. Let's go. Okay, so if you haven't realized till now by seeing the sunlight in the background, uh, it's 11 in the morning, and unfortunately, I couldn't wake up for the morning prayer. I'm extremely guilty about it, but what has happened, and I think it's a little bit late for me to complete the rest of the challenge. So I think I might have to end this challenge right now. Psych.
Got him! Got him!
I am going to complete it. I have around 9.5 hours, and I am going to do it. Okay. It's 11:23 p.m. right now, and let's see how can I do. Let's go. Continue on. Okay, so as you can tell, I have taken a shower finally, and it's 3:30 something. The only problem about today is that I have to go to dinner at night, and so that will be difficult to manage along with this. The good thing is that I am almost done with the second chapter as well, and let's just see how much I can do. I at least want to get it. What resource I'm using currently is this Matthew by Sal YouTube video which covers entire syllabus. So 4 hours 30 minutes, I'm done with like around 30 minutes, 40 minutes. Hopefully I can complete this. And there was another video which I might also link here, which I also might show from here. This video is like a 30 minutes only of the entire one, so I might watch this just before attending the paper. The paper is going to be 75 minutes long, and I'm going to start at 9:30 p.m. If I'm not present here, if I have to go to the dinner, then I would have to start earlier. So yeah, that reduces the time that I can do the preparation. So as far as now is concerned, I have an hour and 20 something minutes before Asr prayer. So let's just go. Okay, chat. So I'm officially done with this challenge. Just now I have completed the May June 2025 paper of statistics, and I finished it within with like I completed it around 55 minutes. That's like 20 minutes earlier. This does not mean that I'm super good. This means that I wasn't able to finish all of it, obviously. So I'm going to check it right now and see how it goes. I'm hoping that I get a D, hopefully. But even E would work. Like it's insane to start from scratch and have an E when you study like 6 hours. I went to the dinner. We went around 6 p.m. in the evening. So yeah, I couldn't study anymore after that. So overall, I think I studied for 1.5 hours at night, 1.5 hours in the morning before Zohar, around 3 hours in the evening. That's like 6 hours. If I get a D, I will be really happy. So let's go. Let's check it. Even an E would work. Okay, I've attempted like barely half the paper. So let's see. Okay, so the final video. I am now totaling up all the marks that I've gained, and then we're going to look at the grade thresholds. So I have 2 marks here, 3 marks here, plus 2, plus 6, plus 1. I think that's about it. Oh shoot! So I have managed to score 14 marks, which I am not sure if it's going to be enough. Probably not, but let's just see. If even if it's an E, I am happy. I'm happy and I'm done. 925. Threshold for reference, the paper, the exam that I attempted was 9700952, May June 2025. So now the moment of truth, grade thresholds. Let's see. Okay, so trying to use test reverse strategy. Okay, so I'm going to have to look at it from here. Component 5 to here, 50 marks. is maximum, and 39 marks it's A, 33 it's B, 26 C, 18 D, and 11 E. Let's go. Let me just confirm it. From 5 to 11 E. Let's go. We got an E in 6 hours. Insane. Okay, so I think what I learned from this challenge is that absorbing mathematical knowledge quickly isn't that difficult. Also, I think I have covered about 30% of the syllabus, which is really good for me. So because I can now focus on my other exams. So yeah, that's about it. I got 14 marks out of 50, and E was on 11, so I managed to get an E, which obviously stands for excellent. So thank you guys for watching.
Sir, bro, you are Clark Kent. Well, maybe I am. Okay, now let's move on.